I insist. Mama C is wrong. How can she expect us to work under strangers when we should be in charge? My husband, our rights have been denied. And we must fight for our rights.
Yes. I can't be under those fools there. Never. My husband, I urge you to fight. That company belongs to the both of you.
Exactly. We must withdraw completely. I don't know about anyone else. As for me, I refuse to go to work henceforth. In fact, we all should go on an indefinite strike until our demands are met.
That is what we want.
It's okay. I've heard your opinion. I've heard what you guys said. My brother and I will actually look into it and know what we'll do about it.
Enough is enough.
Understand? You're not saying anything.
What would you have me say? I mean, I'm okay with whatever decisions you guys are taking. Hence, it's going to make her release our inheritance to us. It's okay.
Exactly.
So good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss Kate.
I'm done with every account details of Macca's supermarket.
Okay. Leave it there.
So, something has been bothering me.
Okay. Let it out.
Raymond, Anderson, and their wives haven't been coming lately. I wonder what the problem is.
Well, their absence from work has been giving me cause to worry. But I've not been able to call Madam Charity to inform her. I couldn't call her because she has been ill.
So please, do well to call her to know the situation on ground. Please. I beg to take it away.
Sure, I will.
Yes,
Okay, close the door behind you.
Come in.
Mama, see. Mama, sister, no, see, I don't do America Wonder for you. This is America Wonder, Morinka. I want to make you take them so that you go there strong. Dagara, take.
I see. This doesn't look like moringa. There's something else in this thing.
Yes, this moringa revive. Nampuru uyayak. I don't know what they record them for increase, but uyayak we record them. It is good for the body. Uyayak.
Is that not somebody's name?
No. It is bra. Now you come make and they brag like this.
Mercy. You talk too much.
Sorry. Stand up. Small.
Oh, Jesus.
Small.
I hope it's not bitter.
No, you know they be that. It is like Rifton tea.
Really?
Rifton. That Rifton tea now you dey right. Okay, yes.
Mercy.
Ma.
Shut up.
Don't they walk? Sorry.
It's okay.
No, Mama, see, you need to feed in seeds.
Okay, I'll feed in seed. Just keep it on the... Yes, please.
Well, you just say you go finish them.
I promise.
Mati, finish them so that you go to America Wonder. You go down this strong. Come back to us.
Mercy.
Ma?
Get out.
Okay, ma. Mama, see, finish them. Okay, sorry.
It's ringing.
Mr. Richard. Hello.
Hello, Mama C. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Richard.
How's your head?
I'm getting better, thank you. And how are you? How's everything going on in the office?
Work is fine. But we are having a little challenge in the company now.
Challenge? What challenge, please?
Mama C. Your two sons, Raymond, Anderson, and their wives. They have been absent from work for a week now.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Why? Did anything happen? Did you upset them or something?
No, I don't have any problem with them. I even asked my colleagues if any of them had any issues with them. And the answer was no. It was actually Kate that suggested I should call you. So I decided to call you to intimate you of the events happening in the company now.
No problem. I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay, ma.
These children always kill me.
Family, I invited us all here today for us to rub minds and, look at how the company was run in my absence.
The work is going smoothly.
Yeah, exactly. It's moving smoothly. You see, Mom, we can't stop thanking God Almighty for giving us such a company like Crystal Table Water. Such a good company.
Crystal Table Water is something else.
Telling you.
It's something else. So we thank God for that brand. And now to my daughters-in-law, is there anything you people would like to contribute? Daniela?
Well, our husbands have said it all.
Kosi?
Mama C, in all honesty, we haven't been to the office for a week now.
I think it's more than a week. What are you saying?
Give or take,
Are you kidding me? And you're talking about this like there's no problem with that? Oh my God, I can't believe this. You mean I left the company in your care? And for a week and whatever, you've not been to the office? Oh my God. What kind of children are you? You are irresponsible. Yes, that is what you are. I can't believe this.
Did you actually invite us here to insult us? And I know I'm the first son of this family. I don't acknowledge your
And honestly, I think, Mom, you brought us out here to insult everyone. I'm taking this personal.
Personal. Is that what you are? Aren't you ashamed of yourselves? No, this is totally not acceptable. Maybe diobala, maybe whatever. It's not acceptable. And I won't take it. Now tell me, both of you, how you intend to take care of this company in my absence. Remember, I put you there in the first place so you would learn the trade from the beginning. And now you're telling me you did not go to the office? How do you not take care of the rest of my companies when I'm not there?
We can. We can even do better than those
Way
streets.
better like that. Way better. We're actually professionals. We didn't want to tell you all this while.
How can you be professionals in a trade that you've not learned? This is not about what you studied in school. It's about practicality.
Mom, did you actually call us out here to heap insults on us? In fact, let me make it clear right now. If I am not going to be the manager of that company, of my father's company, I will never go to that office again.
No,
because I will
okay.
not work under Richard.
Ma'am.
Or not possible. This is my father's company.
Yes.
You under somebody in my father's company. What the hell? Damn.
It's either you work under Richard or you get out.
No, Mom, what are you even saying? There's no way I can come to that office. It's not possible. The only reason I can come there is when I am being offered with a position that befits my personality. Baby, when you look at me, what do you see?
Oh, I see the manager.
The manager, right?
Yes, my love.
Well, that's the only position I can manage, because if I go for the CEO, Raymond will be like I'm contesting with him. So he's the CEO, then I'm the manager. You see? Well, Mom, I mean, you're looking at the manager, so address me as the manager.
Which manager? The only thing we've been praying for you to manage is your wife. And you've not done a good job on that.
Isn't she looking good?
Oh, with my money.
Well, I've listened to our husband speak, and I am in full support. We cannot work under strangers.
I'm talking of my sons. You're talking of you working under a stranger. You're obviously a stranger here. And you, Obuleke.
Mom, don't call me.
No, you passed with pass.
No, not pass.
And you're seeing yourself as a
They
manager.
changed my results, Mom. They changed it.
If I'm not going to be the manager, Mom, forget it.
Oh, good riddance to bad rubbish. You're forgetting your handbag.
Babe,
My manager.
I'm sorry, please.
All right, darling.
Just
Just stand behind me. Yeah, manager. Just
Babe.
We're going to be in charge.
All right. We're going to stop producing sachet water.
Oh, excuse my manager, please.
As soon as we resume work,
Yes,
we'll
yes,
fire everyone in the company.
No,
I will fire everyone in that company.
To think that one can actually give birth to a set of fools.
Mom, how could you sign this? How on earth could you sign this? How?
I don't owe you, nor anyone any explanations on how I run my company. Now you get that into your thick skull.
Mom, I'm the first son of this family.
Oh, really?
Yes, I should be the one saying what happens in that company and not you.
Oh, I see. Like really?
Really, Mom? Yes, I am the first son of this family. And I should take over from where my father stopped.
Hello, manager. How are you? You know how I told you that Crystal Water Company should be run? Kindly adhere to all the instructions. To the letter. Do you understand me? Better.
Mom, this is not good for me at all. This is not good for me at all. You can't be bossing everybody around in this house and in the office also. You can't be doing that. You're holding on to my father's will. That's more reason it's not been read yet.
Everyone would adhere to what happens in that company. Do you understand me? Until your father's will is read. Now will you get out of my sight?
Mom, we need to sort things out.
You and who? Okay. Since you do not want to leave, I'll leave the place for you.
Look, as an issue, go away.
Okay, since you don't want to go, I will. I have something in the kitchen.
Mom, I don't like the way things are going on in this house. I am the first son of this family. I still maintain it, and you know it. Mom, I'm going to do
Hold on a minute. Are you blocking my way?
Mom, I'm going to do
Diobala, are you blocking my way? I will tell you, Diobala, not.
Mom, could see this thing, no? Mom, could see this thing, I don't like it.
Don't worry, I like you when the time comes.
You now come say pass, coop and the staircase. Everything here belongs to me. I should be saying what happens here. Mom, why did you authorize this? Why? This will not happen. It's not going to happen when I'm still alive.
Oh, at least you see what I have been telling you, Raymond. Your mother has bitten more than she can chew this time.
Julia will not let this lie low. I am not going to allow this happen. I don't even care whose ox is God. Because I am going to take what is rightfully mine.
Agreed.
Whether she likes it or not.
Agreed. Because she's doing everything she can to deprive you of getting your inheritance. But that's okay. Just calm down. Tell me, what happened at the company today?
You can imagine. The manager refused signing the money even when I asked of it. Even when I went to the accountant office, same thing still happened.
Are you serious?
Yes. They emphatically told me that my mother signed this.
I can't seem to figure this out. You mean she signed
She
this?
prepared it and signed it.
Dear esteemed staffs of Crystal Water Company, it is with deep sense of loss that we regret to announce the passing unto glory of our director, Chief Wilson Okonkwo. As accordingly, everything still remains same. The company retains its star. Secondly, no money is permitted to leave the company without following due process. That has been approved by the director / chief executive officer in the person of Chief Mrs. Charity Okonkwo. Signed Chief Mrs. Charity Okonkwo, director / CEO. What?
Yes, you've seen it. When I will start, they will say I'm not behaving like the first child.
No. You are the first son of late Chief Wilson, okay? You are the one who should take over. You are the one who should be in charge. Don't let them tell you otherwise.
My mother is just getting on my nerves. They're really getting on my nerves.
They don't want to work and earn salary. All they want to do is scatter. A business or businesses that my late husband and I took years to build. They just want to scatter everything within a day. Even my late husband would frown at this. He would obviously turn in his grave. I can't allow this to happen. What is wrong with Raymond and Anderson? Why are they so greedy? Nobody wants to work hard. They just want to grab. Life doesn't work that way. Hello, Barrister Frank. How are you? Well, good to know that you're good. I am equally good. Well, I called to, talk about this issue of my late husband's will. Please, I beg you in the name of God, do not hand over that will to my sons or anyone else. That's good to hear. That means you cannot go against a dead man's will. Okay. Thank you so much. Do have a blessed day.
So, gentlemen, what do I owe this visit?
Barrister Frank, thank you so much. My name is Raymond Okonkwo. Seated with me here is my brother, my younger brother, Anderson Okonkwo. We are the sons of Chief Williams. As a matter of fact, the only sons of Chief Williams.
Both of you are welcome.
Thank you, guys. Barrister Frank, I am the first son of my father, Chief Williams, and I'm here for my father's will. I want my father's will to be read.
See, given the fact that it's been like 5 years that he passed on, we feel the will should be read by now.
Well, both of you are here asking for your right. It's fine. But your father, Chief Wilson, stated categorically that his will must be read 6 years after his death. According to him, by then, both of you will be physically and mentally fit to take over.
That is just not a word. Barrister, I demand that my father's will, Chief Williams, must be read.
Mr. Raymond, I cannot go against the will of my client, whether the person is alive or the person is dead.
That nonsense. What are you saying? All we need you to do is to read the will, and that's just it. And that you must do. Come out of this place, please. This is not making sense anywhere. It doesn't make any sense.
Barrister Frank, I am the first son of my father. That will must be read. I'll be back.
Raymond, you're too cool for my liking.
What would you have me do? I'm on it. I'm doing it already. I'm trying to fight for my inheritance. Do you get that?
I understand you're fighting for your inheritance, but you have to put in more energy. Apply force. If you don't do something now, I'm afraid you're going to lose everything to that selfish mother of yours.
Then what do I do? That's the question.
Fight. My husband. Fight for your inheritance.
Julian, don't forget that it's my mother we're talking about here. You don't expect me to go fight my mother. That would be a very awkward thing to do.
Don't tell me you have any plans of letting her deny you of what is rightfully yours. My husband, you have to possess your possession.
I'm already doing that.
Like this? Come on, Ray. You have to push harder. You have to apply force, put in more energy. I mean, this house, the company, the shares, they all belong to you. You are the first son of late Chief Wilson.
What about my brother?
Well, you could give him a portion from your inheritance. That's if you wish.
This is raising so much dust already, and it's not supposed to be so.
Your mother wants it that way. So she should be prepared for what's about to hit her.
You know, what I don't understand is why is my mother proving so stubborn? Why is she acting so stubborn? I mean, why wouldn't she just go ahead and release the inheritance so that there can be peace in this family? Why is she holding the whole thing backwards? Why?
The fact is, I'm actually tired. I am exhausted from this whole chaos that is going on in this family. It's tearing me apart.
I have told you what to do.
I can't do that. Did you realize that the woman in question here is my mother? The woman you're talking about here is the woman who gave me life. The woman who made me to breathe today. I mean, it's morally and socially wrong. I can't go fighting my mother for any reason. I mean, it's unjustifiable for any reason.
The same woman that is standing between you and your inheritance. That woman is a witch.
Can you stop it?
Don't tell me what stop.
How dare you refer to my mother as a witch? What has come over you? Please, I don't want it. For any reason, don't you ever refer to my mother as a witch.
Go on. Go on and protect her. A woman who clearly does not want your happiness. A woman who does not even care how you feel about this whole thing. Go on, protect her.
I wouldn't have you refer to my mother as a witch. Not even in this lifetime. You can say whatever you want to say, express yourself in whichever tone you want to, but you going to the extent of referring to that woman as a witch is a slap on my own face. Don't do that, please, I beg you.
Okay. If she is not a witch, then tell me what she is.
You're daring me. Kosi, respect this. Do not push me to the wall. Just respect this. Don't you refer to her as a witch. Please. Anyway, whatever this is, I and Raymond will certainly find a way around this whole thing so we can resolve this whole problem of our inheritance. But you calling my mother a witch is a slap on my face, and I wouldn't appreciate that.
I have always known. I have always known that you're a coward.
Kosi!
Listen, if you do not go and get your inheritance, forget about touching me ever in this house. You will not enjoy me as a woman ever again.
I am only doing my husband's bidding. And these children are already going crazy. What am I supposed to do? Nothing. Just that I have to do what I have to do.
Mama, see, this is not nice now. Eh? Oh, so this is where you're hiding. Anyway, we are here.
Shut that trap of yours, else I'll shut it for you.
We are here to get what rightfully belongs to us.
And what rightfully belongs to you?
The company.
You guys are jokers. Both of you.
Mom, I am the first son of this family. So I demand that the company is given to me. Let me take over and handle it.
Well, the last time I checked, we are the only surviving children of Chief Wilson. We are thinking, is it not time I and my brother here begins to run that company? Except there are other kids or children of Chief Wilson that we don't know about.
I'm out here to find peace, not to be disturbed by you both. All right?
You will never find peace. You will never find peace in this house because you've murdered the peace.
Well, let me ask her. I mean, why do you find it so difficult to let us have our inheritance? Why? Why are you like this? What you should do is to stay back at home and allow us to control the affairs of the company. Is that so hard for you to do?
You know, I've given you everything, the best of education.
Or for the company.
You start from the
It's
company.
remaining the company.
You need to go out there and hustle for yourself.
I still can't figure out why that old hag should be uptight. Why is she holding on to what is meant for her husbands?
We have to do everything we can to get her out.
How do we achieve that?
Can't you see what's going on out there?
That woman is obstinate. Why does she feel she can boss everyone around? Who the hell does she think she is?
She's too harsh and unwaveringly uptight.
Mama, see. You think you can do away with every one of us?
That's her greatest undoing. She thinks she's unyielding. But guess what? She has just succeeded in shooting herself in the leg. And I will push her into extinction. Kosi, let's join forces. Let's join forces and conquer our common enemy.
All I can say is that any witch that is trying to stop me from getting my possession, such witch will surely die.
Hey, Anderson, stop that.
It's just a prayer that I made.
Did you just call me a witch?
Mom, that was just the prayer that I just said. If there's a witch somewhere fighting my possession, that witch should die.
Prayerful man will die before the witch.
Mom, why don't you just allow us to run the company?
You can't run the company.
I am the first son.
Oh,
Mom, the company is ours.
my
We should
friend
run it.
Anderson, shut up. Go to water. Anyway, both of you are not getting anything. I'm sorry.
Don't touch me again. What's this? Please.
Chile, what is... do I look like one puppy like that? Eh? What is it? What has come over you?
What has come over me?
Yes, why are you denying me access to your body?
Raymond, you're the first son. Yet you're behaving like a woman. Until you know what to do and do it right, you will not touch me. This is not what you need now.
Julie, that is what I need now to cool off my head from the whole temper. Okay?
No.
You have to give it to me.
No, Raymond. I refuse. Okay? Go out there, fight for what is rightfully yours. Then you can come back. But for now and ever, if you don't go out there to fight, you can never ever have a taste of my sugar ever again.
Julie, that sugar is what I'm going to taste now because I paid for it and I paid in full. You understand? The sugar is exactly what I don't need to be shouting. Don't need to shout.
You paid for it, right? You paid for it, right? You paid for it, right?
Yes, fool.
Oh yeah, come and do now. Let me see. No, come and do. Let me see.
Julie, just stop this. What's
the meaning of this now? What is this?
Stop now. Stop now. You're my wife. You're my... Julie, Jarilum this thing, man. Come on. Where do you think you're going to?
Respect yourself.
Where do you think you're going to?
Exactly where I'm going to sleep tonight. Because I don't have time for this nonsense. Don't do that.
Julie, I paid for this. And you have to give it to me, oh. Julie, come back here. Yeah, Jarilum.
Why is Kosi sleeping here? Kosi?
Listen, if you touch me one more time, you won't like what will come out of it. Avoid me.
Sorry to disappoint you, it's not Anderson.
Julia, what are you doing?
Sleeping, of course.
Why?
I denied my husband sex tonight. So, I'm here to sleep.
I did the same. I told him if he failed to get his inheritance from his mother, he will not touch me or have sex with me again.
Same thing I told Ray. I mean, how can men be so soft? Like they are women. They just allow their mother manipulate them. Because, well, she thinks they are cool-headed.
What I don't understand is, why will they give an old woman upper hand in this family?
Please, let me just sleep. No more for today.
Come in.
Mama Z, your food don't be ready. Your favorite food.
Thank you. I'll be with you soon.
So, can I go now?
Come on, lie on the bed.
No, you dey whine me. This is not my bed. You now better person. Okay, now make I go. You're a good person.
What? Ow! Are you mad?
Auntie Julian, I'm so sorry.
Fool! Chinaza!
Mama. Mama, see. It wasn't intentional, believe me. I'm so sorry.
No, stop. It's okay. It's okay. Is it because of this that you want to kill her?
This was the only food left.
It's okay.
But there's nothing left for you to eat.
I'm fine.
Please, I'm sorry, Mama, see, I'm very sorry.
Mama, see, this isn't fair. This is not fair. How can she just throw food away? How can you throw food that was meant for my mother-in-law?
I'm very sorry.
It wasn't intentional. All right?
I'm very sorry.
Now you go in there. Get a broom and a packer and clean up.
I don't want to see any drop of it left. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
If I so much as see as a spot on the floor, you are dead.
Julian. It's okay. Get a packer and a broom. That was harsh.
Yeah, you. That's what they say, though. We are in the city now. Hey, man.
Boss, I'm going to buy something.
Hey, wait, Tina, wait. Hey, come watch your guys. Let me call you back. Chinaza, where are you going to?
I'm going to buy something for Mama Sue.
You're going to buy something? Yeah, buy from you. You know?
Your money.
Is it not the money that you hold in the hand? Use it and use the change and buy for me something.
Boss, I don't have your strength.
Chinaza, Biakene?
That Chinaza girl is becoming something else.
What did she do?
Can you imagine that idiot? She threw away the food served by Mercy to Mama C.
I don't understand.
But trust me, I gave her 2 resounding slaps to reset her medulla oblongata.
Black girl. She plays a lot these days.
It's not play. Overfeeding.
Where is she now?
She went down the road to go get snacks for Mama C.
Snacks? Oh God. That girl really needs to be checked.
I'm sure the slaps, it has done something. I wish I could just squeeze her.
Brother, bossy.
Hey, yo.
Brother, bossy.
Hey, yo. Hey. Chinaza. Hey. What are you buying for me?
Okuna Fugo. Chinaza, they go the girl. You a good girl. Don't worry, I will marry you.
You will marry me.
I will marry you. I used to see you in my dream, where me and you used to wear wedding gown. We will dance on my piano. It will happen. Don't worry. I will marry you. Oh?
Brother, bossy, I've told you. Stop saying that we will marry. I don't like it.
Look at what we are
Stop
talking.
saying this rubbish.
If you finish your secondary school and enter to university, bam, I'll marry you. Don't worry.
I beg you, go.
Chinaza, the bread is fresh, yo. Away.
This hair really looks good.
I like it. But I have to tell them to tint the tip pink for me.
Pink? You already have a pink hair, no?
You know I don't get enough of pink.
No. This time around, I think you should do like deep...
Good afternoon, Mass.
Each time I see that guy, I feel like just squeezing her and just tearing her to pieces. Anyway, ombre roots will look nicer.
Sister, you lost interest.
Hey! Hey, wait! That's a good girl. Can you imagine? I just asked her for something to buy. She bought bread and Fanta. I'll marry Chinaza. Man, don't marry Chinaza. Chinaza, I'll marry you. I'll take you to Obosi. Don't worry. Just finish his secondary school. Then you enter Upper University. Yeah, Cambridge. University. You enter university, I'll come and pay your bride price. You go to Obosi. You go to Obosi. I'll marry you. You're a good girl. No con. Chinaza. I'll marry you to O. Big Roy. Eating a Big Roy.
Evening. Who owns the food?
Mama C.
Oh, my mother-in-law.
Yes.
Okay, I'm actually famished.
You know, see, the last time when I do farm work, that time where I didn't feel this. So since I can't come back to the city now, I never see farm work do so farm no day.
I mean, I'm hungry.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Go and serve our food and come and dish mine.
You are hungry?
Yes.
Just give me 1 minute. I'm going to give you food to shop, yeah?
No problem. You can go and serve her.
I'm coming.
Yes. Be fast about it and make sure she eats it.
Okay.
Naza, are you okay? Why would you pour the food that I'm about to eat? You have done this severally, not once, not twice. Are you alright?
Mama, see, I'm so sorry. It wasn't intentional.
You are sorry. You are sorry. See what you just do. You are sorry. You say you're not intentional. Good one.
What is wrong with you?
Auntie Kosi, I'm sorry.
Sorry for your stupid self.
It wasn't intentional.
Just look at what you've done.
Kosi, but I said I'm sorry.
One more word from you. You say the other side of me. What is wrong with you? I think it's high time I handle you my own way. What have you done? You probably did this because you wanted to go and buy snacks and soft drink.
No.
You did mischief maker.
I don't even know what to say. You've spilled my food. Now clear this nonsense and go in there, prepare something for me to eat within the next 5 minutes.
Make sure you clean this place very well.
Okay.
What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry on behalf of her. Sorry. Bring broom and pack her now.
Overfeeding is beginning to worry this girl, and she plays too much. It's time we put her in check.
I'll handle her my own way.
Where is this guy with the broom? Come on, do this there.
I'm so hungry.
That stupid girl. That stupid girl that calls herself Chinaza. She threw away the food I prepared for Mama C.
Same thing she did mine.
That silly girl. I haven't been pissed the way I was this afternoon.
The idiot only knows how to overfeed herself. Overfeeding is the only thing she has studied. She overfeeds herself with all the delicacies being prepared in this house. Something she can never even dream of in her father's house.
The reason Mama C brought her in this house, I don't know.
Well, you know Mama C, she picks stray dogs. She will tell you it's for, charity, whatever she calls it. Yeah, that's it. Nothing.
This girl has parents.
Parents, you said?
Yes.
Our parents are poor. They can barely afford 3 square meals a day.
We need to stop her.
How do we stop her?
We have to send her back. Send her to wherever she came from. Send her out of this house.
Kosi, you didn't bring her into this house. So there's no way you can send her out of this house. Because if we do, Mama C will have our heads. So...
Oh, Auntie Julia and Auntie Kosi, good morning. Bye. See you guys in the afternoon. Uncle Basil, good morning.
Good morning. What kept you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was trying to get myself ready.
Oh, Kosi.
Can you imagine the daughter of a wretched man being treated like she's a princess?
You can actually say that again. It beats my imagination. But Mama C actually gave her the right to what she's doing in this house.
What do you expect? She's a beloved, adopted daughter.
I just hope she does not have plans of disinheriting our husbands and bequeathing everything to that girl and her wretched parents.
I don't want to imagine it. But trust me, she wouldn't dare. She won't.
She left her children to fate and is focused on taking care of Chinaza, another person's daughter. Who does that?
Apparently, Mama C does. You know what beats me? That stupid idiot Chinaza. She has the best of everything. She attends the best school in this town. Oh, not just the best, but the highest paid. She wears good clothes. She eats good food. No, just explain it to me. What doesn't she give to that girl?
She has driven to the office. An old woman who is supposed to stay at home resting while her sons take over is now going to the office while her son stays at home doing nothing.
Hate is a strong word, but that woman, she disgusts me.
Our husbands are graduates. She and her late husband practically trained our husbands in the university. Now I can't find some why she wouldn't allow them take over where their father left.
It's pretty simple. She wants to be in charge.
How old is she again?
A woman who barely accepts that she is old and weak.
Don't call her old in her presence. Else, she will descend on you.
Well, Mama see. We shall see.
How dare you barge into my office? Are you an idiot?
I don't understand that barge into your office, Mom. Come on. I just came to get my inheritance from you. I don't think I like this frame. I'm going to change this frame soon.
I demand an apology.
Apologies about what precisely? Well, Mom, I don't know why you're too dramatic. Why do you like this drama kind of lifestyle? Well, you should have known that by now that I can't leave this office if you don't give me what is mine. Like, I'm not leaving this place if I don't get my right share.
I said, I demand for an apology.
Come on, Mom. Why are you sounding this way? You know that I and my brother should be the one running this company. You're too old for this position. Just look at you. You should go to the mirror and watch the mirror and see yourself. You're too aged for this. As a matter of fact, where you're sitting right now should be my position. I don't even know why you're just...
You know, the age doesn't really matter. Now, I'm not claiming to be young, but son, my brain is far more intelligent and active than you and your brothers put together. You know, if I allow you people to take over this company, you know what's going to happen in a month? The company is going to sink like a red ship.
Mom.
I mean, look at you. Because you just bought a new pair of canvas, you go around lifting up your leg, and I watch you. The way you take your strides, that shows how little and fickle-minded you are.
This way, this is one of the dividends of a future manager of a company. I mean, just look the way I'm looking. This is the same I'm going to be dressing to office. That shows I'm going to do well. You should have given us the opportunity to run this company so you can see how competent we are. I mean, we can even lift this company from where it is now and take it to some kind of international standard. You get it? International standard. I can't leave this office if you're not giving me my inheritance. And besides, when I take over this place, I'm going to put my picture here in the middle and my wife's picture there, then my brother's picture there and his wife's picture there.
Don't even go any further. Because this wall behind me won't even accept your pictures.
Basil, where do you think you're headed?
Oh, Solly want to go and bring Chinaza back from farm.
What is she to this family? I mean, who is she to this family?
I think you should go ahead and ask Mama see that question. Because I practically have no answers to it, okay?
Oh, Bossy! Come here and fast! Lock the gate and get me the keys. Fast.
Obos. Look, Chinaza will be stranded in school and she doesn't know her way around.
Who cares? Do we look like we care if she gets lost?
You know what? Nobody gives a hoot if she gets missing, if she's dead, or anything happens to her. I thought you wanted to go. Carry the car, take it across, and just drive out. Do your job. Idiot.
What's this madness all about? I'm just here to do my job, which I'm paid for. Oh, boss. I'm supposed to go bring Chineza back from school. Now, this. I won't do this one now.
Now they can't lock the gate.
You don't know you lock him.
If you give me sign, tell me say wetin dey happen. I've not even lock am. And you don't reach school run, so go collect the key.
Which key?
Go collect am. That's it. Go collect the key. Cow. Go collect the key.
Chinaza. Oh girl. Go on. If I go collect, I know you give them. Go collect key.
You know, the idea of opening up a sachet and table water company was entirely mine. Unfortunately, your father bought into the idea.
Wow.
And here we are today.
Oh, interesting. What a good story.
And you and your brother think you can walk in here and take over what you know nothing about? Is it possible?
You know what, Mom? I think you're going to make a good storyteller. Why don't you go into script writing or something? You can actually work with Nollywood. I mean, that's where you have great potentials and not on that seat where people like us should be sitting. I mean, you can go to Nollywood. I've got some few friends that you can talk to that can employ you and you write for them. Such a good story. Well, like you said, you brought up the idea of the company and our late father bought into the idea. By all facts, he funded the company and he grew the company to this might where it is at the moment. And then he died, he passed away. So automatically, we as his living sons or children should be the ones running the company and not you, the aged wife.
You know, you're not even going to get me upset. So if you can kindly leave my office, I'll appreciate it. I have a lot to do.
I didn't hear you, Mom. Say it again. I didn't hear you. I should leave my office. No, you're talking to the future manager of this company. You shouldn't be talking to me like that. I mean, there comes a time where you want me to give you some stipends, to take care of yourself, to help you get to... Oh, come on.
Hello, DPO. Oh, yeah, I'm fine. I'm actually in the office. You promised to visit. Yes. Yes, it will be a good one if you... But he's not even smart enough to know that I'm not calling him. Shh. Oh. All right, manager, you said you want 10,000 cartons of bottled water at your shop, right? Okay. That's not a problem. You'll get your water. All right? Oh, thank you so much. Bye. Oh, my God. Hello, madam. Good afternoon. May I help? Are you kidding me? By this time of the day? Wow, what happened? Oh my God. Basil actually dropped her first thing this morning and he was meant to pick her up. Anyway, not to worry. I'll handle this, okay? Thank you. Bye. What kind of nonsense is this? Still at school at 4 p.m. Hello, Basil.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening. How come you've not gone to pick Nasa from school?
No, ma, it's not my fault. It's Juliana and Kosi. They practically locked the gate and embargoed me from going to pick Chinaza from school.
Are you kidding me? Why ever would they do that?
I don't even know what to do, ma. I'm confused.
Okay. I'll handle this. I'll go to school and pick her up. Okay. I'll sort it out when I get back.
Ah, my baby. So
Mama,
sorry. Yes,
good
my
evening.
darling. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama C. I've waited for Uncle Basil since 2 p.m. we dismissed. But up to no avail.
So sorry. Something came up.
What?
Well, something that is not entirely his fault. That's why he couldn't make it.
I hope it's not something serious.
No. Not something we cannot handle. So how was school today?
Great.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No problem.
Okay. So, we head home?
Okay. Mama C.
Yes, dear.
We were taught something in school today.
And what was that?
Mama, what can the devil do to a human being?
That's a big question. A lot. The devil steals, he destroys, and then he kills. That's what he does.
Mama C.
Yes.
What if I tell you there is a devil in our house?
Are you kidding me?
I'm not. It's not just the devil, but 2 of them. And they have one agenda. To kill you.
To kill me in my own house? What? How do you mean? Yes.
You know, that day I threw away the food and Mercy served you.
Uh-huh. I mean, why would Julian want to kill me in my own house? Whatever did I do to her?
You know, she's the #1 devil in that house, and her mission is to kill you.
Whatever for?
And the second time, I threw away the food and Mercy was coming to serve you.
Yes.
That's it.
Oh my God.
Mama, see, any day I throw away food that is meant for you to eat, just know it that there is danger. And you know what? Tell Auntie Mercy to go and feed the dog the food. And once the dog eats the food and dies, know that there is a real devil in that house.
I can't believe this. Both my daughters-in-law want me dead? In my own house? This is incredible.
Mama, see.
Oh my God.
You know, their plans will not work. So far as I'm in that house, they will not succeed. You will not die.
Amen.
You will not.
God takes care of his own people.
Yeah, Mama, see, you know, you are a good woman with a heart of gold. So nothing will happen to you, okay?
Amen. Amen. Amen.
You know, you took me as your biological daughter. You Oh, I don't know how to express it. Mama, see, I love you so much.
I love you too. You know, sometimes God puts people in our lives to help us.
Mama, see,
yes.
I want to tell you something.
What?
Anytime you hear me singing Tem 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 for Jesus, anytime you feel the sound and you hear me singing Tem 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 for Jesus, no, there is danger.
Chinasa, you are so smart. Smarter than most people your age.
Mama, see, I don't want anything bad to happen to you.
Nothing would happen to me. God will keep taking care of me.
Amen.
Why is life like this?
I poisoned the food that stupid girl threw away that day. Mama C would have just eaten it and died.
What? Hold on. Are you saying you added some substance into that food?
Yes. I wanted Mama C out. Why are you laughing? What's funny?
I also added some poisonous substance into the food Messi was going to serve Mama C. But Chinaza also threw it away.
You did not.
I wanted Mama C dead so that my husband can inherit his inheritance.
You know, since you and I have a common goal, we could just join forces in taking Mama C out. But what do we do?
Since our plans to poison her to death has failed, I think we should re-strategize and send her out. We can even cause physical fracas. By that I mean we can engage her in physical combat.
You have a point. Yes, you do have a point. We could just join hands and beat her to death. Yes, this is exciting.
No. Then the law will come after us for murder.
Oh. Once again, you have a point. Yes, I think I know now what we need to do. We will launch an attack first thing tomorrow. Yes.
Do you know of any native doctor that can help us finish her up?
Huh?
Yes. It's still better than fighting her to death. With a car that I'm supposed to go to work with. What's the meaning of that?
Mom, that's why you're shouting my name like that early this
Excuse
morning.
me? Shouting your name? I'm reporting something important to you and you say I'm shouting?
Mom,
are you crazy?
Actually, you're ranting.
Shut up. Shut that trap of yours. How dare you talk to me in that manner? Are you stupid or something? Your wife went away with my car and you're calling me ranting? Don't try that anymore. Do not call me ranting.
Mom, for your information, I am the first son of this family. Okay? I own everything here. So my wife has the right to drive any car in this compound.
Really? Your wife?
Mom, yes, really.
Let me tell you something. You see, you, your wife, and every other person in this house has no right and will not insult me in my own house. Do you understand me?
Mom, Ifembu Diobala of this family, okay? I own everything. The company, the house, everything. This place is mine. I will be the one to say what will happen. So my wife has the right to drive any kind, this compound, any kind of company, to use anything. 1 million live for Bonasolia in this place.
Okay, wife will kill me.
My wife.
Julian, I'll tell you something. Papa Julian, to be very careful.
Because when I start, she had better be ready for the war. You know, Kwelifina Kokonyala. Oh, but that is what you are. It's not until you wear your undies and go to the marketplace, keep Gonyala. No, Apwala, and you're one of them.
Okay. No problem. But all I know is that I'm the heir apparent. I'm the first son.
Philmond.
What can Dallas say, man?
You got no money. By the time I'm done with you, he get your pants, he get your shirts, please.
Hello? Ozzy. Who cares? My darling, definitely I don't. But right at this moment, I'm just driving round and round in circles. I don't even have a destination in mind. You know what, babe? I am definitely going to deal with that woman. Since she has sworn that I would not have rest, then definitely she's not going to have rest. That woman must die. Guess what? I've gotten back at her today. She doesn't even know what I'm thinking tomorrow. My darling, I'm driving. Okay? I'll call you later. And I'll soon be at home shortly. Okay? See you soon. Bye.
And where do you think you're coming from? Come back. I'm talking to you. Stand here when I talk to you. Old witch. Did you just touch me? Oh, you're so stupid. Look at you. You went out with my car, knowing fully well I needed that car to go to the office this morning. What is your problem? And you expect me to answer that question? No. Do you actually expect me to answer? You know what? Fine, let me grace you with an answer. I went out. Meanwhile, what are you still doing? No, let me ask you mine in return. What are you still doing here, old witch? Why don't you just die? Die once and for all so that my husband can possess his possession as first son. Please, die. What did you just say?
Yes, Mama C. Please die. Let us bury you and rest. Your mates are all dead. Why are you still alive?
At least let me eat party jollof rice. I will grace you with an answer. You see, you both, you will definitely die before me. Oh yes! Mark my words. You think you can come here and intimidate me in my own house? Are both of you not old enough to have your own homes? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not old enough to also leave the property for your sons? What is this? Property, what is this? I worked hard for. What have you ever brought to the table in this house? Nothing. You see the kind of wives you people brought to my house? Oh, you think they're dealing with me? They will definitely deal with you. One after the other. And for your information, I have a recorder in this house, recording everything you're doing. When the time is right, I will deal with you. See you're shaking. See you're shivering. Oh, excuse me. My handbag. Forgotten my hand. Take it. Give it to me. One of these days! I'm not a chick on Yala. They fit in. Oh, we're going to take in a car every day. Yeah, see me. Get out of the way, let me pass.
How did they go? Hey, wait. Both of you has guts. Hey, stop that. Listen to me.
What is it now?
You have the gut to spill bunkers before Mama C. You don't know her, right?
Raymond, what's this?
I know Deo.
Raymond, what's this?
What's what?
You've started behaving like a woman once again. What is this?
You don't know Mama C.
Man up as the first son of this house.
You don't know Mama C.
Man up as the first son of this house and stop behaving like a woman.
Don't worry.
You guys are so funny. Can you imagine? Mama said is dead. Oh my God, you guys don't even know what you're talking about. See, Mama C has been confirmed dead. As I speak to you right now, she's in the morgue. Chinaza and Basil has confirmed that they saw her dead themselves.
We just saw her now. As a matter of fact, she was fully dressed. She drove out with her car.
Chelogodi. Okay, Mama C Nekumakia. Which one? Which Mama C are you talking about? The one lying dead in the hospital, in the mortuary?
She dressed, drove out.
She's dressed and drove out with her car? Mama C?
Whatever this is, I am not in for this. I've heard stories about ghosts tormenting houses and disturbing people around, but that's in the movie. But clearly, if Mama C is around, or rather, if her ghost is around this house disturbing anyone, that means whoever that killed Mama C should be in this house.
What are you talking about? Who must have killed Mama C, or who wants to kill Mama C?
More reason we should go to the morgue to find out what killed Mama C.